Alright guys, I just had to, do a video to show you guys how powerful and reliable this strategy works. As you can see guys, we are on a live trade and we are on so much profit, and we are catching a whole lot of spike. So I just advise you, sit back and watch the video to the end so you can really understand how this strategy works, so you can use it on your own trades and catch spikes too. This is a spike catching strategy, is a very reliable one. So just sit back guys, watch the video so you can really understand how you can use this strategy on your own trade and start catching much spikes as you like and make so much money for yourself. Okay guys, let's go show you guys how this strategy works. All right guys, just gonna quickly show you guys how this strategy works. It's my winning strategy. Is the strategy I use to cash back some boom and crash. So I'm just gonna do this quickly because as you can see, we are on a live trade, and I should be watching my trades and know when to exit the trade. So I'm just gonna show you guys how this works. But first, if you're new to this channel or you've been here before but you've not subscribed, I'll ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and leave some sweet comments. Don't forget to turn on your notifications to always get amazing stuffs whenever we post them online. And I also want to tell you that we run account management. Okay, we run account management. If you've been struggling with forex, trying to make profit, and it's been kind of hard for you, don't worry, we can do that for you. We can manage your trades, give you profitable trades every single day, and you cash out every single day. And we also have a VIP channel where we drop 3 to 4 signals daily. I mean profitable signals that you can trade and always smile to the bank. Okay, so hit me up. Just check on the description page, you'll see a link to my Telegram group, a free Telegram group where we drop strategies and signals as well. So just hit me up, check on the description page, you see a link to my WhatsApp number. Chat me up and let's join heads together and see how we can milk the market together. Okay guys, so quickly, the first thing you want to do when you want to buy or sell in the market, first of all, you have to understand what we call press action. Because like I always say, press action is very important when it comes to forex. You have to understand the direction in which the market is actually heading at the moment. If the market is a range market, or it's an uptrend, or it's downtrend. So if you're actually trying to cash spikes on crash and boom and crash, you have to understand that if you're on crash and you want to cash spikes, you have to be selling, and if you're on boom and you want to cash crash spike, you have to be buying. So at this moment, as you can see, we are on crash 500, and we are selling because we are trying to catch spikes. And as you can see, we've been catching lots of spikes, and we've been on so much profit at the moment. So like I said, first, before you go into a trade, you need to understand the market structure. Okay, that will guide and help you in knowing when to buy and when to sell. So if you're actually trying to sell on crash, you have to make sure that the market is actually on a downtrend. And if you can see from this chart, you will agree with me that this is a downtrend. Okay, and how can you read that the market is on a downtrend? It's when you have series of higher lows and lower lows. Okay, so let me show you what I mean by the lower lows and the higher lows. Okay, so first of all, you can see that this was our face. Let's take from this point. This was a higher low. Okay, and after this you can see that this was another low which was lower than the previous low. Okay, and that becomes the lower low. Okay, from there you see that the next one was lower than the previous one, and the next one lower than the previous one, and it keeps going down like that. So if you want to draw a trend line here to actually help you understand what we are talking about, as you can see from your line tells you that this market is going down. Okay, from the point we are having this line to this point here. As you can see, the market is heading down. That means we are having series of spikes, because if there is no spike, the market won't be on a downtrend. So it's actually the spikes that are pushing the market down. So that means at this point, if you are buying at this, selling at this point, you'll actually be catching lots of spike. But if you're buying, you'll be running in losses, because the market is, you know, going down and it's catching a whole lot of spikes. So after you might have understand the market structure and understand that the market is on a downtrend, what you have to do next is know when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so when do you sell? Okay, when you sell is first of all, you have to, you know, understand your, you have to know your area, your area of value, where you want to actually, you know, place your trade, and probably paste your stop loss. Because most times you can, and if, let's say, if we are trying to, you know, sell at this point, it's not really advisable for us to sell at the current price right now. Okay, it's not advisable for us to sell, because we are actually expecting this market to, you know, come up to this level here again, to either create, you know, another lower low. Okay, so what you do is, at this point now, if you are just opening this chart and you're seeing that at the current price it at this level here, you can't just jump in and start, you know, buying or selling at this level. It's not even advisable to buy, because you see the market is actually on a downtrend. So you trying to buy at this level, you are just gonna take a serious risk by losing a lot of money. So now all you just have to do is to look for a perfect time for you to enter the trade again and sell. And when will be the perfect time? That is when you have to bring in your support and resistance. Okay, 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 we should take this to be our, you know, resistance level. And how do you know a place is a resistance level? It's when you see probably 3 to 4 candlesticks touching that particular environment at a particular time, and each time the candlestick touches that position, it goes down again, and you know, comes up again. As you can see, it came up, it touches this place and it spiked, and it came up, it touches here and it spikes. So this tells you that this place is a strong zone. So at this level now, you're actually expecting this market to come back up to this zone. Okay, to come back up to this zone for you to, you know, place your trade. Okay, so we are not gonna waste much time. So we're not gonna wait till this market gets up to this level before we can actually show you what I mean. But from what I'm trying to explain here, selling at this point is risky, because the market will actually come up to this level again to create another lower, you know, lower high, which is lower than the previous one. So at that time now, that is where you will place your trade. This will be your entry, and somewhere around here will be your stop loss. So you always have to, you know, look for a position whereby if you enter the trade, your stop loss won't be far away from your trade, so that in case the market doesn't go your direction, you won't have to lose a whole lot of money. Okay guys, you have to lose a whole lot of money. So you always have to look for a good position, that when you enter the trade, your stop loss won't be too far from your entry. And don't just place a stop loss at any position. Your stop loss has to be at an area where you have a strong zone, that you are expecting the market to likely have a reversal at that level. So if you're trying to place a stop loss here, you won't just place your stop loss on top of this, you know, line here. You have to maybe keep maybe a pip higher than where you have the resistance line here, so that in case, because most times the market do get up to, you know, that resistance line and kisses the resistance line before start going down again. So if you actually maybe kept your stop loss at that resistance line,
you notice that when once the market get to that level, it will kick you out of the market, and at that moment it start going down again. I know most of us experience stops like that, and we'll be like, wow, why did we give our stop level at that point? So it's always advisable you keep your stop level maybe a pip above the resistance line, so that in case the market comes up to the resistance line, it will actually kiss the resistance lines and start selling again, and it won't touch the stop level. So as you can see from this was my entry. This is where I entered the trade. So when I actually opened this chart, okay, I had to meet this trade at this point here. Okay, had to meet this trade at this point here. So what I did was I dropped my support line, which is here. This is my support line, because I actually knew this is a strong zone. As you can check, as you can see that the market, had some reversal at this point. It came down here, it went up and it came down here, it went up again. So I knew that the market will actually have a reversal at this level. So I waited for the market to have a reversal here. As you can see from the green candles here, it came down here and it started going up again. Okay, so when the market started coming up again, I had to wait for it to get to this level, my area of interest. Because this is my area of interest, this is my resistance level. I knew that the market will actually have a reversal at this level, so I had to drop my stop loss here. As you can see, my stop loss is above the resistance level here. So in case the market, maybe I enter the trade and the market actually comes up again after I have already entered the trade, it won't get to my SL. Probably it might come to the resistance level and start going down again. So as you can see, the market went up again at this level, okay, and there was a spike at this very level. So after the first spike, that was when I entered the trade. Okay, I entered the trade here and I dropped my stop level at this point. So guys, this is very easy. It's very easy when once you understand price action. Like I said, if you're having difficulties understanding the market structure or price action, all you can just do is hit me up on WhatsApp, let's talk, and I can teach you, mentor you, because price action is very, very important in forex. When once you understand price action, I guarantee you, maximum profit whenever you're trading, 99%, winning chances. So guys, you just need to understand this. Okay, if you don't understand this, you can hit me up and we can talk much better, because I don't really have much time to explain this, because I'm actually on a live trade now. So I'm just gonna run back and check my trade, how my trade is doing, and let me know if I have to close or I have to still allow the trade run. So guys, this is my winning strategy. It's my VIP strategy. It's very reliable, and it's I don't even know how to explain it. It's a win-win for me whenever I use this strategy. It works 99% of the time. So guys, like I said, if you've not liked the video before this channel, just like this video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on your notification to always get amazing stuffs whenever I post them online. And don't forget to check the description page. You see a link to my Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group you can join and observe what is happening in our VIP and see how well our VIP is doing. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video, and see you some other time. Bye.